हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रो टिप्स। आज हम करेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ क्लास 8 चैप्टर 2 अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेक्युलरिज्म। आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डज सेक्युलरिज्म मीन? ऑप्शन ए, इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ऑल रिलीजन्स। ऑप्शन बी, प्रमोटिंग अ सिंगल रिलीजन। ऑप्शन सी, एलिमिनेटिंग ऑल रिलीजन्स। ऑप्शन डी, privileging one religion over other. The correct answer is option A, equal treatment of all religions. Question number 2. India is a which country? Option A, secular. Option B, religious. Option C, communist. Option D, theocratic. The correct answer is option A, secular. Question number 3. In a secular state, the government does not. Option A, recognize any religion as the state religion. Option B, support religious discrimination. Option C, allow religious freedom. Option D, interfere in any societal matter. The correct answer is option A, recognize any religion as the state religion. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of secularism? Option A, equal respect for all religions. Option B, religious freedom. Option D, promotion of one religion. Option D, prohibition of religious discrimination. The correct answer is option C, promotion of one religion. Question number 5. What is the main objective of secularism? Option A, to promote all religions. Option B, to maintain the dominance of one religion. Option C, to ensure the separation of religion and state. Option D, to abolish all religions. The correct answer is option C, to ensure the separation of religion and state. Question number 6. Which of these is an example of a secular practice in India? Option A, celebrating religious festivals as state events. Option B, state neutrality towards all religions. Option C, promoting a specific religion in government policies. Option D, recognizing a state religion. The correct answer is option B, state neutrality towards all religions. Question number 7. Indian Constitution ensures secularism through which of the following rights? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right to freedom of religion. Option C, right against exploitation. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 8. Which of the following is prohibited in a secular state like India? Option A, freedom to practice religion. Option B, religious discrimination by the state. Option C, religious festivals. Option D, personal religious practices. The correct answer is option B, religious discrimination by the state. Question number 9. What does the Indian Constitution say about religion? Option A, India is a Hindu nation. Option B, the state has no official religion. Option C, Islam is the state religion. Option D. Christianity is promoted by the state. The correct answer is option B. The state has no official religion. Question number 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on religious grounds? Option A. Article 15. Option B. Article 25. Option C. Article 30. Option D. Article 14. The correct answer is option A. Article 15. Question number 11. Which article guarantees freedom of religion in India? Article 21. Option B. Article 25. Option C. Article 30. Option D. Article 15. The correct answer is option B. Article 25. Question number 12. What does Article 25 guarantee? Option A. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Option B. Freedom of religion. Option C. Equality before law. Option D. Right to education. The correct answer is option B. Freedom of religion. Question number 13. In India, secularism ensures that the government. Option A. Supports one religion. Option B. Is neutral towards all religions. Option C. Abolishes religious practices. Option D. Follows Hinduism. The correct answer is option B. Is neutral towards all religions. Question number 14. A secular state does not mean that it is option A. Neutral towards religion. Option B. Against religion. Option C. Supportive of religious freedom. Option D. Committed to equality. The correct answer is option B. Against religion. Question number 15. Secularism is important in India because option A. It ensures religious harmony. Option B. India has many religions. Option C. It promotes equality. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 16. In a secular country, people have the right to option A. Follow, propagate, or not follow any religion. Option B. Enforce their religion on others. Option C. Ban religious practices. Option D. Declare their religion as state religion. The correct answer is option A. Follow, propagate, or not follow any religion. Question number 17. Which country is an example of a theocratic state? Option A. India. Option B. Pakistan. Option C. USA. Option D. France. The correct answer is option B. Pakistan. Question number 18. What is the role of the Indian state in matters of religion? Option A. Promote all religions equally. Option B. Interfere in all religious practices. Option C. Ensure that religious law do not violate fundamental rights. Option D. Ban religious activities. The correct answer is option C. Ensure that religious laws do not violate fundamental rights. Question number 19. Why did India adopt secularism? Option A. To avoid religious discrimination. Option B. To promote unity of diversity. Option C. To uphold constitutional values. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 20. Which of the following is not part of Indian secularism? Option A. State neutrality towards religion. Option B. Religious freedom. Option C. Imposing taxes for religious activities. Option D. Equal treatment of all religions. The correct answer is option C. Imposing taxes for all religious activities. Question number 21. Who plays a key role in ensuring secularism in India? Option A. Citizens. Option B. Judiciary. Option C. Government. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 22. The idea of secularism aims to prevent. Option A. Religious conflicts. Option B. Religious dominance. Option C. Discrimination based on religion. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 23. Which of the following is an example of non-secular behavior? Option A. Providing reservations based on caste. Option B. Promoting religious symbols in government institutions. Option C. Respecting all religions equally. Option D. Prohibiting discrimination. The correct answer is option B. Promoting religious symbols in government institutions. Question number 24. In secularism, the state does not. Option A. Interfere in religious practices. Option B. Impose a religion. Option C. Recognize specific religions. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 25. Which term represents the separation of religion and state? Option A. Communalism. Option B. Secularism. Option C. Socialism. Option D. Regionalism. The correct answer is option B. Secularism. Question number 26. Which of the following rights are closely related to secularism? Option A. Right to equality and freedom of religion. Option B. Right against exploitation. Option C. Right to property. Option D. Right to education. The correct answer is option A. Right to equality and freedom of religion. Question number 27. Secularism promotes. Option A. Religious intolerance. Option B. Religious harmony. Option C. Cultural discrimination. Option D. A single religion. The correct answer is option B. Religious harmony. Question number 28. The term secular was added to the Indian Constitution by which amendment? ऑप्शन ए 42nd amendment, option B 44th amendment, option C 21st amendment, option D 86th amendment. The correct answer is option A 42nd amendment. Question number 29. Why is secularism essential in diverse country like India? Option A to give preference to one religion. Option B to ensure equality and prevent conflict. Option C to abolish all religions. Option D to enforce uniformity. The correct answer is option B to ensure equality and prevents conflict. Question number 30. What does secularism ensure in India? Option A freedom to choose and practice religion. Option B protection of minority rights. Option C equality before the law. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Thank you for watching my videos. आप लोग मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करके मुझे बताएं कि आप लोगों के कितने आंसर सही होते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।